I'ma head out then.
They going to be.
Big moves, I'm that dude. Bet I see you from the top, yeah, real soon. Looking down on the haters that I've been through. Told them I'll see you.
Like quarter knob.
Oh, okay, just barely on it.
Yeah. Just enough to make it.
Yeah, just make it do a little something.
And I heard you sucker.
Oh, yeah, you took it on out.
Yep.
You ain't got a different yet.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Hey, at least the wall got more room than the no wall.
Ah, babe,
yeah.
where's your knob at? Babe,
Yes.
where's your knob?
It's laying right at the seat, I think.
I see you got that nice head unit right there. What you got running here?
I got her on 20 hertz.
Yeah, 415 next to threes.
Okay.
Hey, you got the temp gunner laying in there, Britt?
Yep.
Yes, sir. I sure appreciate it. Let them know they can find y'all on social media.
It was under Brittany Norris
Okay.
or the Trevor Norris. Either one.
Okay, y'all know I'm gonna tag them down in the video. Good seeing y'all again.
You too?
I didn't know y'all.
Hey, you still rolling?
Yeah, it's still wrong.
Subscribe to this man's YouTube page, all right? You hear me?
I so appreciate it.